is a 700 to 720. Make we learn, oh. We go learn, oh. Evidence, sure, opinion clear, oh. Clear, oh. Is a 700, forming an opinion and reporting on financial statements. Defines the requirements for the structure and content of the unmodified opinion report. When the auditor concludes that the financial statements are presented fairly in all material respects, it details the required elements, basis for opinion section, and a statement of independence. Basis for opinion, independent show how clean report, transparency glow. These are 701. Communicating key audit matters in the independent auditor's report. Requires the auditor to communicate key audit matters, those matters that in the auditor's professional judgment were of most significance in the audit of the financial statements of the current period. This is mandatory for listed entities and is intended to enhance the communicative value of the report. The issues we matter the most, communication clear, auditor boast. No, is a 705. Modifications to the opinion in the independent auditor's report dictates the circumstance and content for issuing a modified opinion. Modifications come in three forms: qualified, adverse, or disclaimer of opinion, depending on whether the effect of the misstatement or scope limitation is material or pervasive. Qualified, adverse, disclaimer, or material or pervasive, that's how we know. Is a 706. Emphasis of matter paragraphs and other matter paragraphs specifies the use of two optional paragraphs and emphasis of matter paragraph to draw users' attention to a matter appropriately presented or disclosed, and another matter paragraph to communicate a matter other than those presented or disclosed that is relevant to users' understanding of the audit. Draw attention right, explain with understanding bright. Is a 720. Comparative information, corresponding figures and comparative financial statements deals with the auditor's responsibilities relating to comparative financial information. The auditor must ensure that the comparative information meets the requirements of the financial reporting framework, and that the opinion covers the current period while appropriately referencing the comparative figures. Comparative figures make them align on framework requirement. Design divine is a 720. The auditor's responsibilities relating to other information requires the auditor to read and consider the other information included in the annual report to identify any material inconsistencies with the audited financial statements or the auditor's knowledge obtained during the audit. You read and consider, no contradiction show. Audit and other info must agree, oh. Opinion declare, oh. Evidence show. Is a 700 to 790. Auditor secure, oh. Transparency, consistency, communication flow. Professional judgments make the audit glow. Opinion